There are a lot of similarities, no? I myself, I came from province, Batangas, and then I'm a retired OFW. So parang nagbigay siya ng hope na ipagpatuloy yung ginagawa namin as freelance agency owner. Ando din yung hindi siya nag-give up kasi sa sobrang dami ng challenges talaga na hinaharap natin in these times. Lalo na sa merong depression kasi mabigat maghawak ng mga tao and mag-handle ng clients, and if you have a family as well, the balance, it's really hard. And yung story dito sa Miss Provinciana really helps to inspire others to do the same and to really provide jobs. You know, you are providing jobs in every province. It's really amazing to see someone like Coach Marge na women empowerment lagi. So be the change.